got me aimless, walking up to you, knowing what you gotta do. This would endure. It didn't weigh that much before. Back in the summer, the air was drier then. Now it's really bringing it in. The train shook the back of my house and the leaves started falling. Wind clocked around to the south. I picked it up, tried to fix it again, and my hands started shaking. I couldn't figure it out. You can hardly see right through the pines when the lights start setting behind. You get disoriented by the landscape, doubting what you saw in the light. That'll change the way you were on to. Gotta ask somebody how to get through. They all say the same to you, yeah. They don't have the kind of life you do. But at the time he was telling me how, and the train was getting louder. I couldn't hear what about. I stepped away so I could think on my own, and the time I was looking, I couldn't see him around. Then the train headed over the hill and the birds are flying over. Wind kept clocking around. I grabbed my fence and jumped up for a view, and my foot kept slipping and he slipped under the ground.